Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Kimi. Hope it's a great start to your day. So if you are headed outdoors anytime soon, be sure to grab that umbrella. 62 degrees for the water temperature. Today, 3 to 5 footers with this northwest swell. But take a look at that. This morning, we had the king tide 7 feet. And good morning, everybody. Hopefully, yesterday you survived all that rain and all the wind. Even snow is in our forecast. So a lot of different things happening. High surf as well. The old record that we set back in 2003 of 26 degrees, we missed it by just 1 degree.
Yes. Yeah, that's right.
May the frost be with you, because you know what? We have a frost advisory in effect. Hey, don't let this 49 fool you. We are talking about very chilly temperatures. What's up, Ramona? 29 degrees? Really? It is cold. A good day to stay home, too, because weather's shifting a little bit for us. Over the last few days, it's been so cold in the morning. I was wanting you guys to stay bundled in bed because we had that frost advisory. Well, not so much today. We are looking at a warmer day. Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Kimi Evans. You may have noticed we're already seeing rain out there, some light scattered showers, but we are expecting some heavier pockets of rain. We've also got wind advisories in place, and it looks like some king tides out there that will be peaking on Christmas, but pretty intense already for us. I'll tell you more about all this rain and the timing of it, but first let's get a look at your traffic. Right now, winds out of the west at 15 miles an hour. We are looking to see some pretty intense winds, though, especially for our mountain communities. Humidity at about 65. Here's a look at the temperatures throughout the county. 59 for El Cajon. Good morning to you. 55 for Ramona. Escondido, you're looking at 61 degrees. We've got a lot of low 60s, especially right at the coast. Temperatures are below our seasonal average by a few degrees, and then getting even cooler by the time we get to Christmas Day. So just in time for Christmas, these temperatures will make you want to snuggle up. So over the last 12 hours, we did see that storm move through. Might see a few spotty showers remaining. In fact, take a look at the timestamp in the upper right-hand corner. You see a little bit of moisture out there. The light green indicates very light rain for us, and sometimes it is also virga, which is moisture in the atmosphere. It just evaporates before it even touches the ground. But again, you might see some spotty showers, but that will move out of the way pretty quickly for us. As we fast forward that timestamp to tonight, 11 p.m., you can see it's pretty much out of the way. And then drier conditions later tonight into tomorrow. That's somewhat of a transition day. Late tomorrow night into Friday morning, you just saw that little bit of green roll through and some pink associated with it. So we may see a quick moving system, but really what it's got is a very, very cold air mass. So it's going to drop the temperatures very quickly for us. Escondido, 79 degrees, 74 for us in Ramona. Julian, 70 degrees, 66 for Palomar Mountain, 68 again here in San Diego. Now, what we've been talking about is that storm in the Pacific Northwest. That is gradually making its way south. You can see all that moisture that's been hitting Washington as well as Oregon, and as that inches down, we'll see a little bit of rain as well. Thursday night into Friday, we're not talking about the kind of rain that Oregon's been seeing, but we can get a little bit. We'll fast forward this. As you watch that timestamp roll, you'll notice today, nothing, looking pretty dry for us, but tomorrow night is when all of that starts to roll in right around midnight. So 10, 11 p.m. you'll start to see a few drops, and that'll move through pretty quickly. And then into Friday, a few more sprinkles. But then as we get to Saturday and Sunday, things really dry out for us. So the weekend is looking pretty good. But then another system heads our way. 64 degrees for the water temperature, staying on the warm side thanks to El Nino. Northwest swell, 3 to 4 footers. Our sunset this evening, 4:42 p.m. If you take some photos, go ahead and send them in. Your photos at KFMB.com. We just might put them up on air. 7:10 this morning, we saw that high tide just under 6 feet. The next one around 8 p.m. tonight at about 3 feet. 2:14 p.m. for that negative tide. Temperatures today still well above our seasonal average. 80 in Ramona versus the usual 67. Escondido coming in at 82 instead of 69. So although still above average, we're inching our way down. And then take a look at what happens by Friday. So 72 at the coast today. Friday, 10 degrees cooler, 62, 82 inland today. Well, on Friday, how about 57 degrees? It's not just the daytime highs, but even the overnight lows coming in for our inland communities close to the freezing zone at 33 degrees. So it's going to be chilly.